Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. And a very good morning to you. I am Varisha from grade 7. Today I am doing to talk about minerals and its type. So let's get started. Unit 6, Minerals and Power Resources. The first thing that we have to discuss is basically what is minerals. So the answer is minerals. Minerals are substances naturally in the earth. Minerals are typically solid, inorganic, have a crystal structure, and are formed by geological process naturally. A minerals may consist of a single chemical element or a compound. More usually, earth crust is made of rocks and rocks are made of minerals. Minerals are two types. Number first, metallic, number second, non-metallic. In metallic there are three types: ferrous, non-ferrous, precious. Ferrous, containing iron, manganese. Non-ferrous, copper, lead, tin, etc. Precious, gold, silver, etc. Non-metallic minerals: salt, marble, limestone, sandstone, etc. Metallic minerals. Metallic minerals contain one or more metal. Generally, metallic minerals are hard and have shiny surface. These minerals are very good conductor of heat and electricity. Example: iron, copper. Some of metallic minerals are precious and used in jewelry such as gold and silver. For example, copper, iron, chromite, bauxite, gold. Let's move on to the next topic, non-metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals do not contain metal elements. They are not shiny. They can not be transformed into new product when they are melted. For example, sulfur, salt, gypsum, limestone, marble. Do you know about the study of mineral is called mineralogy?